Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you've ever wanted to shower while off-grid camping, this portable camping shower from AUTOPkio is incredible. It comes with a pump, a hose, a shower head, and everything you need to be able to take a shower on the go. It's rechargeable, has a really great battery life. There are several different pressures, so you can have a stronger stream or a little bit of a softer stream. The digital display lets you know what the temperature is, so you can grab water right from a lake. You can use any water you want. You could warm the water first, put it in a bucket, submerge the pump, and then you're good to go. You turn it on and you have water. It comes with two ways to mount, so you can either hook it right to a tree, or it has a suction cup so that you can mount it. We have a shower privacy tent, so it makes it really simple, but either way, you can have a shower anywhere. It also comes with another attachment, which is great for dishes or cleaning different things, watering your plants. Whatever you want to use this for, having the convenience of water pumping on the go without having to plug anything in is incredible. So if you want to step up your camping experience, definitely check out this portable shower, and that's my point of view.